All right, now if you're in the boat where you are using Dropbox Password and you're wondering, hey, what do I do? I tried to create an account and show you exactly step by steps, but we're going to switch to two different pages that will kind of walk you through what you need to do. If you use Dropbox Password, you should already have this Dropbox Password extension installed up here. If you don't see it here, click on the little extensions and you'll be able to click Dropbox Password. Once you click that, it will take you to your account. And if we follow the instructions, which we'll link below, from Dropbox, there should be an avatar in this top right corner that you're going to click. Just like if I was to go to Dropbox, I can see my name here. Or an avatar or a picture. What you'll be able to do here in Dropbox Password is click your avatar and then go to Preferences, click on the Account tab, click Export, and then Export to confirm. This is going to export your passwords into a CSV file. What's really important, these are clear text passwords. So if you're going to export this file, maybe pause your backups for a minute so this doesn't get backed up and thrown in there. Just make sure that you don't share this file anywhere. Then you're going to go to the password manager that you chose to switch to, like 1Pass or Keeper, and there's an import process. When you import there, you're going to say, I'm going to import from CSV, and then it lets you choose your columns and say, hey, this is the column for the name, this is column for the username, this is column for the password, and it will import those all in, and your passwords now be in your new system. All right, and to wrap all of that up, if you're not using a password manager, or if you're using Dropbox Password Manager, you need to find a new one. We recommend Keeper, but Dropbox also has a special promotion going on right now for 1Password. Both of them are great softwares. Just pick one, get signed up for that, and get your password secure again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.